Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. So my name is CHUKS. I am on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start today's news. Alright, so our monitoring spirit today they call Sky Sports and the Mirror come outside the report say Arsenal don't reject an approach from one of all these Premier League clubs to sign Aaron Ramsdale. In fact, the stance from Arsenal is Aaron Ramsdale is not for sale. He gets for any amount. Maybe I talk and say this January, I don't say Wolves don't show their interest publicly. I don't know who else, but I don't say many people they reason the guy. So according to the report, although they don't name the club, they say an unnamed. So, but I don't say many people they interested. They just test the waters to know whether Arsenal would like to sell Aaron Ramsdale. But from the look of things, we know we like to sell him because instead they integral to what we are doing. Raya cannot play all games. We still need to give Raya some breathing space, making rest. So that will be the most important. Well, I know this stance can still change sometime in the future, but for now, it's not for sale. Alright, the Mirror also come to let us know say Arsenal don't they ready to sell Thomas Partey to raise funds for their 3-man transfer wish list. Who they for this transfer wish list we don't really know for now. All we know is say Arsenal are ready. They are now ready to cash in from Thomas Partey. In fact, the reports when I was reading it, can't even talk say during the summer Arsenal were actually ready to cash in. But they don't really get any substantial offer. They were expecting offers to come from Al Hilal or any of the Saudi Arabian teams, but none of those offers materialized, although there was interest. But Thomas Partey don't really want to go Saudi Arabia as at that time. But for now, let's say it on the soften in stance on moving to Saudi Arabia because you know people say let's say time down the reach for them to retire, and part of the retirement scheme na to go there go collect go amass a lot of funds get we go use for your retirement age. I know you just man, so a lot of good things they go on for him. So wish him all the best of luck if he wants to leave. But if he still they hold out for Juventus, because we still know Juventus are really looking for a midfielder, so we just the wait, not to see how things will unfold. But from an Arsenal point of view, he has overstayed his welcome. Alright, so Freddie Ljungberg will be one of the Arsenal legends. So Babakali talk say Arsenal are actually ready to go for the title. You get, because they ask about Sky Sports, they want to show what they do whether Arsenal will win the league this season. He said yes, they are ready, but the problem is that statistics, historical data, no day in favor of Arsenal. So in fact, by Christmas, Arsenal supposed to be like 10 points behind ahead of Man City. Like City will be 10 points behind Arsenal, and the reason is this: they say by that kind of January, City the bearer, like City becomes a different animal. You get, and when you look at the recent publication where Kevin De Bruyne they talk say in the hope to come back to play a little after the new year, you get, not so long away from the new year, in the hope to come back. Now the same time frame we dey expect our own Julian Timber to come back before we can hear some kind of rumors, some kind of news you get from Dutch, you get, where so many reputable media organizations don't also post. So it shouldn't be called a rumor again, because initially it was seen as a rumor, but when the likes of Mirror, Football London, different senior men, they post all these things. So we say maybe there's an atom of truth to that news, but miracle no retire Jesus now, so anything can still happen. If you see maybe the guy will just come back, get, so who knows. I know every day now the guy they post the Bible quotation, the guy they read Bible like man. So much of the hope say God will come true for him, so he will recover on time miraculously. They come join us. Ask Kevin De Bruyne they join Man City to strengthen them, make our own team by self. They join us to strengthen us. So the key is by January, now you will see say Man City will go on their run, go 10 games unbeaten, they go 15, all those kind of run. They have the capability to do it. But me I dey very very pessimistic about this thing, because when you check them, I don't feel say Man City they are strong as they were last season. So all those run like this season, I don't think say it will happen. But more just watch now, because now me I just speculate and they tell you my own mind. I don't know what I think, because people they judge them based on their antecedents. Hey, this people go wrong now January, they are too good, because now waiting our senior man for the Bloomberg say Arsenal have the capability to win the league, but say they fear that Man City, because if they hit top gear like this, they will just go. But Baba, this season is different. Remember, before this season started, I said this is going to be the toughest of all time, and we didn't see them for what before. So we'll just watch as things unfold. Alright, so we're gonna say FIFA, they establish a group, you get, where they want to make the group look into VAR, you get, so that they will know whether they go add free kick, corner, second yellow card to the VAR powers. Since we VAR will check every match, you get, because some kind of errors they happen for corner, when the referee go award wrong corner, give team, if he cross can't score, you get, the second yellow card, without VAR will check and overturn them, you know. Many things where VAR don't get the power to do, where they won't add the VAR power. But at the end of the day, we're gonna say IFAB will be one of the football bodies for rules in football, need to give a pass mark. They need to approve whatever law where FIFA want implement. Like if they propose a new legislation where they want add, IFAB need to approve. And so more just watch, because at the end of the day, they are trying to make the football game a better one for everybody with less errors. Alright, so Bukayo Saka come and say, talk say Arsenal will actually play better once our injury players start to come back. Yes, the likes of Thomas Partey, we don't say Thomas Partey, they injured. So whether I go for January, nobody will be guaranteed. Forget all this way media, everything they talk. It's not a guarantee. If he no go, we go still use am. You get, make sure they cover. Even if not 10 games he play for us this season, we go still manage am. Because thank God say Declan Rice has a clean bill of health. Imagine say Declan Rice can't be like somebody like Thomas Partey. How for they survive? Rice na person say if he play 30 games on a row, he hardly gets injured and he enjoys playing. Yes, and he dey pull leg for tackle. So imagine. So we just thank God say at least our money no waste. Alright, so Gabriel Agbonlahor come outside and they blast Arsenal somehow. Say Arsenal allow Emiliano Martinez to come out for Arsenal, come go join Aston Villa, and he has become one of the best goalkeepers in world football now. After all, I win the Yashin Trophy, the Yashin Award for the best goalkeeper of the year. Like said so many things, saying a lack of foresight, lack of this, lack of that. But the thing is, it is easy to just say all those things. As a pundit, you should know better, because for every Emiliano Martinez will succeed, they were the likes of Ben Leno will also go out and succeed. You cannot tell what the future of a player is going to be in the next 2-3 years. You cannot predict the future, and as a manager, you take risks. That's what life be. So nobody just say because Emiliano Martinez go outside, call they do well for that. Say we suffer, as in go outside, are we suffering? Say they know the score for Aston Villa when they. How many clean sheets they keep in the season? Why we know they see and they rank the goalkeepers? Why don't they hear so many things about that? So maybe they go to judge all those kind of things. Fine, he's doing well, wish him all the best of luck. At that time, when we actually chose Ben Leno over him, now Arteta know what things see, you get, because Arteta one day loyal to Ben Leno as the senior number one. You get, you know, say some years down the line, I mean, like Martinez will be better than Leno. So now so life just be okay. Look now, we don't pick Raya ahead of Ramsdale. Just imagine say Ramsdale now come out, come go join another club, come become the best goalkeeper in the world. You call the blame us now. You don't go blame her now, the coach. And anything coach do, you gonna the respect and somehow, because at the end of the day, if things go bad, now the coach they go fire. They don't go fire me and you. They don't go fire Agbonlahor. You get, because some people don't call for Arteta head. Why they treat Ramsdale like this? Why they treat Ramsdale like that? They give so many excuses for the shakiness of Ramsdale. But when Raya first come, was facing the same pressure and was panicking, nobody gave him an excuse. People blamed him actually, saying they panic. Now if you say Ramsdale don't they panic now, we want to give excuses. No, these are all professionals. They get paid to play. You get, if you like, go look at Manchester City second choice, Ortega. How many games in they play? But anytime he comes in the panic. So I don't understand this excuse. In as much as I don't want to blame Ramsdale, you get, but at the same time, that responsibility now, he has to account for his mistakes. That's just the truth. If to say Mbuemo boss net that one, see now this and now, you know how toxic that match day will be. At the end of the match, you know how angry, you know how sad a lot of Arsenal fans will be. See now because we win, everywhere just they cozy, everywhere just stew. Imagine say maybe Mbuemo score that 1-0 now 1-0-9 end. You know everywhere for Bobby. Nobody go happy now. So I beg, we'll take a easy. Alright, so JB Carragher also come to talk say the Arsenal Invincible wey him play during 2002-2004 say they were the best side wey don't ever play against. In fact, even they approach that Arsenal match, they get like a mental torture, psychological problem. You get, because for that match, you know, say for the earliest days when he played for Liverpool, he played as a right back. So for that right back, in the face the likes of Robert Pires, Ashley Cole, and Henry. See the way they did, they bypass him. Like, and the problem is that they bypass him too quickly. Back, Henry don't go back. Ashley Cole will just overlap, boom, or more. So it was not that easy. You say, you know, say if they play Manchester United and they play Chelsea, fine. As of then, no, those ones they did better than Liverpool, but they still feel them drag. But when it comes to Arsenal made him feel small, made him feel weak, made him feel like he's a shit packer. Like, the guy doesn't sing so many praises because in there for the same podcast with Freddie Bloomberg. So he just talks so many glowing things about Arsenal. Even Freddie Bloomberg when they talk, say the only regret he gets for Arsenal, the Invincible, and the fact that they don't win Champions League because they conquered England now, but to win that Champions League was very, very difficult. This is what it is. Alright, so Brighton captain, what they call Lewis Dunk, don't become the first player in the last 15 years to be sent off for dissent. You get? So it's just the unfortunate. I think now Anthony Taylor now will send them out because for the match against Nottingham Forest and Brighton, they give Brighton concede penalty. Lewis Dunk, when I won him push down. So referee gonna go watch VAR, come award the penalty. Lewis Dunk when they argue. What are you arguing? Now VAR people may go look, show them the angle, and they go tell them some things. If they argue, referee give you a yellow card, you still they talk. Only God know what to tell you. Referee don't go, come turn back. She the whining. Let's come on red card. So yeah, outside. Yes, guy at the end of the day come on. So last I just still win 3-2. We make deserve your run enter field. They celebrate because they say the Brighton don't finally break their winless run. I don't say Brighton get winless run. No. So now that match they just break everything, but it is what it is. So Lewis Dunk don't set new record as the first player in the last 15 years to be sent off for dissent, for talking gibberish. Alright, JB Carragher also called it to say Arsenal forwards have been very, very average this season compared to last season. Say Arsenal cannot win the league this way. You get, and at the same time way many people they fail to see. All these people, you are a pundit, you should be thinking outside the box. You get, Freddie Bloomberg waiting for that same show. When they correct, I let them know say this season, teams are showing Arsenal way more respect than normal. And at the same time, I don't analyze already say last season we had so much freedom because people know really this. They know like we were shit packer, we were nobody. You get last season, so people don't really expect much. You get, people hardly play 10 men behind the ball against us. But after we finished second, this season now, according to Freddie Bloomberg, leave my own analysis. Freddie Bloomberg said this season teams prepare against Arsenal the same way they will prepare against Man City, showing them so much respect. Don't come in as to come and attack too much, playing 10 men behind the ball, forming a low block. Now waiting Arsenal. Yesterday, Bukayo Saka was complaining, say, waiting notice this season. He didn't say last season. He said, waiting notice this season. He say for the 13 games they don't play, every opposition where they play, they gang up on him. Like 2 or 3 people go mark him. And according to Saka, the same thing happens to Martinelli and Odegaard. So if that does not open your eyes to let you know, say the free-flowing football where they expect, so you see last season, it cannot happen because when 2 people mark you, you must play the ball, go back. That's just the thing. When Saka they say in they look for solution every day. At least if now one chance in cross or do something, make it be good. So that's the thing the likes of JB Carragher know they see. You get that free-flowing football, you go hard before you see them again. You go hard. Because teams now they defend against us, they respect us, they don't say we are killers. If you give us one chance, not to go. Alright, so tomorrow we'll host RC Lens for the Emirates Stadium to qualify for Champions League. Yes, once you just knock them, I think a draw will make us qualify, but at the end of the day, we are looking for top spots. So once we knock them, we'll enter our top spots. We just did it. After them, we'll host Wolves for the Emirates Stadium. Wolves they don't lose. I think yesterday they lose Fulham 3-2. So we host them for the Emirates Stadium. So more they see, and as we host them, Man City will play Tottenham Hotspur. So everybody will pray with Tottenham Hotspur, do magic, yes. But it is what it is. More just see how things go happen. All right, Richard Keys also come and second the blast Mikel Arteta for celebrating Harvertz because after the Brentford match, Arteta carry Harvertz, go meet Arsenal fans, call the points Harvertz. So Richard Keys always say what Arteta was doing was like He was telling everybody, this is my man, this is my man, yes, this is why I bought him. But Richard Keys come to tell Arteta, say, Harvertz, he no play anything for Arsenal. He's playing gibberish, he's playing nonsense. Get they forget saying score against Brentford. Say you were not supposed to buy him. Richard Keys don't continue from where he stop after he don't defend Arteta for the FA wahala. So he don't continue in attacking. You get because the guy now one of Arteta's biggest critic. So he don't dey blast him. You get but Arteta they try to let him know say this guy is bringing a different profile. In as much as we understand that we bought him £65 million, 20 games, maybe 2 goals or thereabout, 2 goals, 1 assist is a poor return. We all agree. But come on, let the guy enjoy his day. He scored an important goal for us that made us happy. So if you don't just disturb him. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think this is a fine place for us to call the show an end. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll get out.